my god. Theory is too freaking funny right now. Look at her and the freaking hamsters.
No. Yeah. Wait, wait. That's a bad animal. No. That's a bad animal. You kill her.
She is so serious. Oh my god. Look.
Oh my god. That's a bad animal. We call you. That's a bad animal.
How long you gonna be working for this? Be working for them. I'm curious.
Oh my god, that's a bad animal. Don't do that again.
Oh my god. Yo, Theory is such a bug.
Hey, I didn't really why.
What was you doing just now?
I had to play.
Okay.
How about the rat? You're funny, Mommy.
That's you over there talking to the hamsters.
That I talked about the boy had that's a bad hamster.
What did he do?
The boy he probably did what he bought, and he probably played with the baby.
How?
And I probably hit her.
Oh yeah?
Yes, that's a bad. That's bad. And boy, I go to bed all night. What's on my head?
Oh my god.
I don't know what on my head.
Oh my god, Monica, do you see this? She's growing up, dude. Oh my god.
No more.
Okay, go lay down, seriously. This is the end of the video. Say bye.
Bye.
Oh my
I'm
god.
not finished.
Yes, you are.
I got that one. Oh, that one.
Okay, watch out.